Hey guys, and welcome back to Study Journey. It's Mary and I'm back with another AMC Problem of the Week video. This is from AMC 10 and this is going to be about probability. Another probability problem. There are a lot of problems on AMC with probability, so without further ado, let's get on with the video. This is AMC 10A Problem 12 of the year 2016. Three distinct integers are selected at random between 1 and 2016, inclusive. Which of the following is a correct statement about the probability P that the product of three integers is odd? Your answer choices are P is less than 1/8, P equals 1/8, P is between 1/8 and 1/3, P equals 1/3, and P is greater than 1/3. So the keywords here is three distinct integers. Remember, it's integers. And it's selected at random between 1 and 2016. And it's inclusive. So that means 1 and 2016 is included. So it is asking what is a correct statement about the probability that the product of three integers is odd. So how can a number be odd when it is a multiple of three different numbers? Well, if it were an odd number times an odd number times an odd number, for example, we can give an example here. 1 times 3 times 5 is equal to 15, and this is odd. Well, what about an odd number times an odd number times an even number? Well, let's give another example. 1 times 3 times 4. Well, this is even. And we could do odd number times even number, and this is also even. So what about even times even? This is also even. So by all of this, we can tell that the only way the product of three numbers is odd is if all three numbers is odd. Well, this narrows it down. So right now, we're just trying to find the probability that all three numbers is odd from 1 to 2016. So there are 2016 numbers. Because we know that the numbers are odd, even, and so on. And because it is inclusive from 1 to 2016, the first number is odd and the last number is even. So there are exactly 1/2 of the numbers that are even and 1/2 of the numbers that are odd. So 2016 divided by 2, this equals 1008. So 1008 of the numbers are even and 1008 of the numbers are odd. Well, the probability that the first integer is odd would be 1008. And they can't overlap because these are three distinct integers. That means after you choose one of these numbers, you can't choose this number again. So the next number that we would choose is from 2015 numbers, because remember, it can't overlap. So this is 2015 numbers. How many integers will be odd? Since we already chose one odd number, then this would leave us with 1007 odd integers. And so forth for the next one. We already chose one out of this 2015 numbers, so we are left with 2014 numbers. And because the number we chose is odd, the number of odd numbers becomes 1006. Now we just have to simplify. Technically, we don't have to simplify because it is not asking for the exact number, but which of the statement is true. And remember, the answer choices were P is less than 1/8, P equals 1/8, and etc. So because we know 1008 over 1016 is 1/2, and these two numbers are both slightly less than 1/2. So the product, if they were all 1/2, it would be 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/8. But because these two numbers right here are both slightly less than 1/2, then the probability of these three multiplied together would be slightly less than 1/8. Thus, P would be less than 1/8. And that would be our answer. So looking at our answer choices, we can tell that the answer would be A, P is less than 1/8.